Hello smart viewers, welcome back to this channel, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about simple present tense. Well, simple present tense is conjugated as follows. I work, you work, he works, she works, it works, we work, they work. Well, example, it rains every day. John works in the office. I go to work on foot. They go to school by motorcycle. Henry lives in the village. Mr. Smith works in an office 5 days a week. John and Mary go to school together. Well, the first function of simple present tense is to express habitual action. I get up early every morning. They go to school together. He works hard. It often rains in January. The baby cries in the evening. Well, the second function of simple present tense is to express general truth. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay. I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.